Hello guys, my name is Adam and I'm working with Fuse HVAC, electrical refrigeration and plumbing company here in San Jose, California. And we're looking for right now guys who will be able to take the position which is called project manager for HVAC, electrical and plumbing projects. So what kind of job this? Let me explain. So any projects like heating, ventilation and air conditioning requiring a lot of materials like pipe, the furnace, the filter, the plenum, the evaporator coil, the filter dryer, the PVC pipes, PVC angles, gas pipes, etc. and etc. But it's not the whole list. We also have a lot of things like plenum supplies, ductwork, fittings, joints, electrical, lights, etc. etc. Also, any HVAC project does include outside condenser, the series disconnect, cover for refrigerant lines, etc. 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 Yes, we have a very nice guys who does installation for these projects, but we are looking for particular right now the project managers who participate in these projects by preparing the lists of the materials and answering for all questions customers does have for particular projects in their houses and maybe in their buildings, because we are doing commercial projects as well. So what is our offer? We are not paying the salary, we are paying profit share base. We are providing 3% from the projects who are running by this particular project manager, and this is amount from $10,000 to $15,000 per month. So if you're interested, send your resume to hr@fuseservice.com and we will be happy you join to our team. If you have experience in HVAC, electrical and plumbing projects, be sure you may fit to this position, project manager for HVAC, electrical and plumbing projects. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one.